How to fix Roblox disconnected error. Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. First, you need to make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you've confirmed your network is stable, go to Play Store and search in Roblox. Here, make sure it's updated. After this, you need to go to one of your browser and go to sites like Down Detector. So here what you need to check for is these spikes. If there is Roblox here, then it means there is some error in the server of Roblox itself. Otherwise, there is none. So after that, you need to restart your application or restart your device. Then this problem should be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped. Like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.